So the first thing we did to fix our welds is we put some of this in the low spot where it was welded together. We roughed it up. We went to this. This is compatible to Rage Gold, maybe Z-Grip back when Z-Grip was really good, somewhere in between. It's really nice, goes on thick. This stuff goes on real thin from the same brand, and it can be used as its own finishing putty. And I got to be honest, I don't use glazing or any of those things now that I have this. So I use this and I finish out with this. So this is where we're at, and it's all been coated. Here we use the red in the gold. That's why you see yellow here, this yellowish, orangish yellow, whatever that is. And then where it's more of the green color, it started out gold also, but we used blue hardener, ran out of red hardener. Doesn't matter, it'll be just fine. But this is what we did, and we did a few coats. So we went all the way around our welds, wherever that little bit of a deep spot was. And it was not very deep, but we put our fiberglass reinforced filler in first, and then we spread this out. Took us 2 shots. Tomorrow, we're going to give this a going over with probably something real rough. I feel like there could be low spots. I don't think so, but there could be. So we're going to block this with like 80, 40 and 80 with an air file. You could also use the Bondo Hog. I thought of trying that. This isn't quite so big that I think I need that. But I'll use my Astro Pneumatic 11-inch air file instead of the 15-16-inch one. And we can crisscross it. And basically, this will block out real quick. And that's where we'll go to this when we're done with that. And we'll coat the whole thing with this. And it'll be like a super thin skim coat. So that'll probably land as far as back here and skim across the whole thing. We'll take this off, clean the rest of the panel really well now that this work is done. This is our rough body work done. Now we're going into finishing it up.